Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Groveland, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer long-distance moving options to make relocating simple, such as packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team will make sure relocating is easier for you. We know it's a difficult process to make a move a few states away. Anytime you need to move 100 miles or further, our long-distance movers will make the job easier. Let us take some of the stress out of relocating for you. An Idaho moving company makes even a short move simple. Local moves might not seem like such an overwhelming thing. While you won't have to drive a moving truck very far, you still have to unload everything and unload it at your new location. That can be a lot of heavy lifting, which can drain your energy. Choosing to hire 3 men and a truck gives you time to get ready to make a local move easier. Movers know how to get you across town in a hurry and safely. A move that would normally take you 3 days to complete, we can complete in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Groveland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.